Your labor costs are crushing you. $23 per hour average, plus overtime, plus benefits, plus the ones who quit after 6 months. But what if one AI agent could handle what takes 3 human employees? Customer service, appointment booking, follow-ups, even technical questions. Save $4,100 per month. That's $49,200 per year without hiring, training, Oregon dealing with turnover. Replace expensive staff with AI, $297 per month. Your current customers fund this. Set up an appointment and contact us 949-502-3845.